Fall is here, and it's the perfect time to embrace the beauty of the outdoors. At Mountain King Homes, we have a helpful tip to make the most of this vibrant season. Hello, outdoor enthusiasts. We are excited to share a valuable tip for enjoying the fall season to the fullest. As the leaves begin to fall, it's important to keep your outdoor spaces tidy and prevent potential hazards. That's why our tip for you today is to practice regular leaf removal. By raking or blowing leaves away from walkways, driveways, and other high-traffic areas, you can ensure safe passage and prevent slips and falls. You can choose between traditional raking or using a leaf blower for faster and more efficient leaf removal. Find the method that works best for you. And don't forget about the environmental benefits. Consider composting the leaves instead of bagging them. It's a great way to create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. At Mountain King Homes, we understand the importance of maintaining a safe and beautiful outdoor environment. Our team can assist you with various outdoor services, including leaf removal, garden care, and landscape maintenance. Contact us today and let us help you keep your outdoor spaces clean, inviting, and ready to embrace the wonders of fall. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips and inspiration.